Hi Gecko, so I just wanted to show you this PowerPoint. Basically, you are going to be showing what leap years are, but I would like you to use your PowerPoint skills. Now, you may be looking at this and think, oh, I know how to do this already, but I just want to show you a few tricks of the trade, how to do this. So if you want to make this background similar to mine, you make sure when you have your blank slide, you click on background and you choose an image. And then I typed in Earth. I typed it from Google search here. I went Earth. Press enter, and then I thought, oh, what one do I like? Actually, I'm going to choose this one. I can double click, and then click done. Then my background will change. If it is black, you probably want to choose a white color for your writing. So all about leap years, maybe my title, and you'd want to make sure the writing is in a space where the background is also black. So you are not hiding the words. You can rotate it, trying to move it to the corner, make sure it's fitting in. Okay, double click, and I can choose a cool font. All about leap years, love it so far. And if I want to animate it, you basically have to go to your tools. Here we go, should be here, transition, normally, slide transition, add animation. And you can choose which kind of one you would like it to do. It could be fly from the bottom. And I can check it's doing that. And then all that leap years. Okay, stop. Now I need to make sure people know who is doing this. So I'm going to put in the text box in the corner, draw it, make sure it is white, otherwise you'll be able to see it. By Miss Georgia. When I type quickly, I do mistakes there. And I also want a new font, so double click. I would like caveat this time bigger so you can all see it. And an angle again, I think that looks quite cool having it at an angle. All about leap years by Miss Georgia. I want to show you a trick now. There is a new trick. If you do want to put a GIF in your work, so you would just type in Earth, GIF, like this. You go on images, and usually it comes up, and if you click on one, it should come up with some sort of GIF for you that's moving. So click on it, it will open. Check you like it. Well, it says Happy Earth Day, so perhaps you want that one. Perhaps you don't like it, you want to have a look. Well, that's a cool one. Perhaps you click on it, you hold down, and you drag to where your PowerPoint is. You must keep holding on, then let go when you finally get to your slides. And then it will rotate, and you could add that into the little areas. You can copy it and paste it and put it into the corners. If you want something interactive like that, if you present it, you'll see what it's like on a big screen. And then you can see that's pretty cool. Click here, all about leap years by Miss Georgia. So maybe you want to actually add an animation to the by Miss Georgia part down here. So perhaps you want to add that here. Okay, so that's the first slide. If you want to know how to insert a video to show some facts that you learned, you can add another page. Perhaps you only want the title. So a video all about leap, a capital letters, leap years. And then here, all you go into your insert video. If you've already found it, you can put the link here. So as you can see, I'd already found the video and I pasted a link in here. I searched, and then this one came up, and then I inserted that one. I selected that one. So I wanted that one in my area. Make it big enough, however you want it. Change your font, up to you. There's another trick I would like to teach you. If you want to add yourself into this, so you can create one as your little teacher. I'm going to show you how to do something. If you go background, and then you go to choose image, Google search, and just put wall and floor, like this. Find a wall and floor, click on it, and say, okay, insert that there. Now what you can do is you can start inserting images. So insert image, search the web, and you can find maybe a TV. But make sure you put transparent background. Usually it comes straight up. And you can put a little TV into this room you've made. You can change the size. Now I don't like that one. I'm going to delete that one. I prefer this one here, I think. Put this one in here. No, that's not transparent. Delete that one. Try it again. Old-fashioned TV. No, I'd like. Oh yeah, this one's quite cool. See, there's definitely transparent. Now, transparent background means it's not white all around. It's quite an old TV, but you can put it. And then if you put in maybe like table, you can go table, transparent background, and you can get a little table for the TV to go on. This is quite a nice one, this little table. Make it a bit smaller, this is your table. Put the TV on top. Now arrange it, order, bring to front to sit it on the table. There we go. So now you've got a little TV in there. You might want to add a video into the TV, and you might want to put some facts around the outside. You may even want to put your facts on a frame. So maybe you want a frame. Then you can put a little photo frame in your background. Ooh, perhaps this one's quite cool. Let's see if that one's, yeah, I like that photo frame. And then you could put in some facts into there. You could put 365 and 1/4 days to is a year. You might want to put that in there. You might want to make that bold. Like some, oh, maybe a bit smaller. Little facts inside a frame. So it's just being really quite creative. You can do things like that. And then if you want to insert a video like this and you want to find leap year videos, you type it in. What is a leap year? So you might want leap year for kids if you're going to find the right thing. Leap year for kids. And then maybe this one's always quite a good one, isn't it? Insert this one. And you can make it really small. And you can put it in the middle of the TV. And then when someone opens your PowerPoint, close that, they can click on it and it will play. And obviously they can make it bigger if they want to by clicking that.
Hey friends, before we start today's episode,
it's just like it's in a TV. And if you see it on the big screen, it's what it looks like. Click in the middle and then click on, and it's quite interactive.
Before we start today's episode,
and there you go. You are going to basically make
to share with
a PowerPoint to explain what a leap year is. And there are loads of different ways you can do it. I've taught you lots of different tools there. Good luck. I really can't wait to see if you've learned any new tricks.